So a while ago I noticed some oil streaking down the side of my right hand oil tank cover. So this video is about me finding a fix for that. So here's the split. So it's going from about there to there. And the way you get these side covers off is they've got this tag there. And that clips over this raised bit here. When you want to undo it, you get a screwdriver under there and prise it open like that, and then lift it off the two tabs here and here. There's a little bit more of a closer view. That's quite deep. And I'm going to be using this JB-Weld high temperature RTV silicone, and the thinking behind that was that if it was going to fail, hopefully it fails here and not somewhere else where I can't see it. So here I can keep an eye on it. And all this has been thoroughly degreased and cleaned. And this is a temporary fix till I get another tank. I reckon that'll do for now. Leave that overnight. Yep, good one. Okay, so that's gone off. I shall take it for a run and see if it works. I'll get back to you if it doesn't. It's only temporary till I find another tank, so that'll probably do for now. But I'll let you know how it goes if it fails. So that's it for now. I'll catch you later. Cheerio.